Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off incoming call zone on Facebook. Once you're on your Facebook profile, guys, just go ahead, look towards the upper right hand side where you have contacts and you'll find three dots. Click the options there and here you'll find incoming call zone. Just simple toggle that off and right here you will see that you can set for a period of time such as 1 hour or until the next day, which is 8 a.m. So that's going to be like for overnight. But if you're using a computer, you don't necessarily have to do this for overnight, even though it will take effect on your phone as well. Or you can say until you turn it back on. So I will go ahead and say until I turn it back on and click on disable. That's pretty much it. It's going to also take effect on your mobile as well. But as you can see right here, I'm using the desktop PC. So if you're using Facebook on your computer and you are, for example, at work or something, which I don't recommend for you to be on Facebook at work, but for whatever reason, if you have it open and you just want to disable incoming calls so you're not disturbed for that, you don't want this to disturb you, you have a meeting or whatever the case may be, you can easily turn off the incoming call sounds so that you're not disturbed. Or if you're in a meeting as well, you don't want this to call you out by anyone, then you can go ahead and turn that off. That's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.